back to weekend vlogs. Well, weekend and school holiday vlogs. And today was the final day at school and it is over. So I've got a week off for you guys to be joining me every day of that week. So this is Friday night's vlog. And then I've got Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday again. So I hope you enjoy these vlogs. So guys, I'm giggling because my nana So guys, over the past 3 weeks, over the past 3 weeks of me vlogging on a weekend, we have been to 3 different restaurants on a Friday night. One's been the Runhead Bar and Grill, one's been Desi, and this weekend we are going to the Falcon. So it's going to be 3 different restaurants, guys. See you there. So guys, last weekend I got a typewriter. Flashback. Writing with my granddad's old typewriter. It's so fun. The ink isn't working that well, but we're... So guys, that typewriter, there's a story behind it. My grandparents were going to chuck it in the bin, but my nana thankfully persuaded
there's a little thing to tell you
to take it out.
A light
So
to
I've
say
got it
change
back.
gear if you can't hear. Hi, yeah, you? Yes, please.
Oh, thank you. We're going to get our favourite seats, right? Get the bigger ones, come on. Oh, go. It's got plugs there and also charge my here. I'll plug it in for you, Libby. Thanks. With drinks are served, yes, I've decided to go for the kids.
The what?
I'm just telling my lie. Whipping wholesale scampi. And I get beans with it.
Right, let's
Oh guys, my nails are falling off. I'm so sad. They've been on for a good 4 weeks though.
Will do.
And this is the rest of the menu.
It's not on a carvery on it?
Yes, it is.
Is it?
Yeah, it's on a car. Can you not smell it?
No.
I don't see why not. Strawberry.
We're in the Falcon Prada.
Kids £7, mine. Just a minute. Yes. I can get a big spoon. I'm having some.
We're now leaving the Falcon. We're going to pay the bill, then leave. I'm going to go out to the car straight away so I'm not caught up in that much of the rain. Ah, it's really so bad! It's locked! Harry, I forgot it's locked! Oh, back we go! That was a bit silly. Traffic down on the road. So guys, the plan is that we're going to go out in the garden and Harry's going to be shown lots of tools in the toolbox because the boys are going to be using the toolbox to help them. It's not even in that cupboard where I'm looking for. The boys, that's the story that I read on the typewriter. The story that the boys, not the story, the thing that the boys are going to do with the tools is Pops is just going to show Harry exactly what they are and things like that. Find the place where I was meant to put the pennies so they're on the bench and Harry's doing it for us. Thanks, Harry. Harry is going to show some of you guys how to use this.
Slide it again. Slide it. Don't pull it, just slide it. Slide it. Again, slide it.
Wow!
And it's a meter. Look, see the measurements? And there's measurements on that side. Look, exactly the same. And to close it, do the same. Close
Is he going to
it.
get to saw something tonight?
He's not.
He's not.
He's just got his thing.
I'm going back in, guys.
Hey, Libby, here, put your finger in there and I'll show you how these work.
No!
Well, no, I will not hurt you. Put your finger in.
Do you want to do it, guys?
Yeah, just tell us when you can feel it.
I I can feel it.
And there you go. And you just push that in there.
Oh,
Oh, he's cut.
let's go. Guys, we're back home. Excuse my hiccups. We're back home now, and I've got my typewriter, and I'm going to be introducing Harry to a typewriter. So, Harry, come on in. Pull up a chair. Pull up a chair. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. No, he's getting introduced to a typewriter. Wow. What's your first reaction? That's good. It's good. Can you get me a piece of paper, please? Thank you. Okay. I'll show you this works. Come on, guys. Guys, so I've got it in. I'm going to write now. I'm going to use these. You've got to press on the keys quite hard because the ink, because it's off my granddad, and it was well, it's not off him, he didn't give it to me, but they were going to chuck it out, and I just said I could do with the typewriter. So this is, I don't know if I could do with one exactly, but
Yeah, actually, it's actually working.
yeah, you've got to press down quite firmly on this one because the ink's running out, the tape thing's running out, but on a normal typewriter you'd just be able to go. What else shall I put? I am currently on YouTube doing a vlog. So guys, take a look at this, take a look at this. You can't really see it that well. Once I have it done, once I have what I'm going to write done, then I can show you. Guys, the boys are still outside. I'll blow Harry in for a bit just to show them the typewriter, but they're still outside.
Definitely.
Hi, boys. Are you two all right?
Pops is confused.
Is he?
You just give me a screwdriver. They can switch ends.
So how's your first time using the typewriter?
Harry.
It's good.
No! Harry doesn't
What is
want
it? What is it? What is it?
Harry doesn't want to look in here.
Why? I do.
Yeah,
Did you enjoy you using a typewriter?
Yeah.
Do you want to use one more later?
Oh my God!
Yes.
Ow! Nana would say no.
I know what that is. I
Show
know
the vlog!
The knives, put them back, thank you.
So guys, I will end the vlog there. I hope you enjoyed, and be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys!